Absolutely. Follow me to the World of Women collection.
It's the first stop on our tour.
You'll get to see the amazing virtual reality avatars inspired by Thierry Mugler's visionary designs. Let's go!
Beautiful shop. Let me see these things.
I'm glad you like it. The World of Women collection showcases stunning virtual reality avatars inspired by Thierry Mugler's visionary designs. Take your time to explore the collection and let me know if you have any questions or if there's anything specific you'd like to know about. Enjoy your browsing!